What's up, babes? I'm here to show you all how I get these super cute and bomb waist length knotless braids, and as y'all can see, they are in the ash blonde form, and we beachside with it. So if you guys are interested in how I get this look, keep on watching.
Brown baller, take one, action. That's a wrap.
I kind of feel like this is just a bit bright, so I'm just gonna turn it down a bit. What's up, babes? I know I look crazy. I'm literally in the middle of about to do my hair. I just wanted to come and show you guys. This is in no way, shape, or form a tutorial. I have no idea what I'm doing, and this is my very first time trying blonde. Pray for me, but I just wanted to show you guys. If y'all see my dogs in the background, and one right here, come here, come here. Say to people. Say to people who you are. Say hi to the people. Say hi to the people. Say hi. Look it right here. Say hi. Okay, and get down. There you go. I wanted to show you guys the hair that I got really quickly. It is like pre-blended hair that I purchased. So I've been watching videos on, you know, a few people that are like showing how to blend hair. I don't have time for that, okay? I found a girl, her name is Princess Diamond, here on YouTube. I will try to link her down below. I found her from another YouTuber, and it only made sense to get some hair from her versus buying a whole bunch of packs and blending it myself. That's time that I don't have right now. So the company, like I said, is Princess Diamond. Of course, my little shipping package. And then here are the hair packs that I got 4 hair packs, because all the tutorials that I watched, they said they only use like 4 or 5 packs depending on the person. So I just went ahead and got 4, and then I got some other packs. But here is the blend, already blended. This blend says 100% Canacolon fiber, flame retardant, pre-stretch, hot water set, antibacterial. And then the actual color combination of this hair is called cream and sugar. So here is how she is looking. She's giving blonde, ash blonde, and just golden magic. I hope it's actually looking a little bit, I don't know, I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous for this. I don't really know how to tuck my hair, so that's gonna be the biggest struggle for me, but I don't know the length of the hair, but it looks pretty long. From the top of my head, it reaches to, from my neck, it reaches to here, which is perfect. That's where I want my braids to stop. In case I needed some more hair, I got some other packs of hair from Amazon, which are of similar like color. I just didn't want to go to the beauty supply store and spend a whole bunch of money in there and then have to blend my own hair, because I don't have time for that. This hair actually came with some little like rings or cups. How do you call those? Here is the other hair. Oh, this hair literally looks like this hair. And it's a whole bunch of packs of them. Hold on now. So here's the other hair, and it has more of the white tip, if you guys can see that. And then the kind of ombre effects. This whole little pack was only $20, and I got 8 packs of this. Of all of these, and these are also pretty long too. Just in case I was gonna add some length, I found this pack of 613 pre-stretched hair, and I was gonna add it to the bottoms for my length as well. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. I have started to pre-part my hair in the back. I kind of put it in some sections here. It looks like it's not, but it is. It's twisted at the root, and then I kind of just let it go at the bottom. Again, this is not a tutorial. I just wanted to share with y'all this little braiding situation. I'm gonna leave the links and everything to the hair down in the description box below. I have Let's Jam extra hold, got it on Amazon. I got some clips and a comb, and then I have some Lotta body and another clip. So I'm about to like start separating this hair, and it is 11 o'clock, literally 3 minutes until 11 o'clock. So hopefully I can finish by the end of the day. I'm just gonna try to take as least breaks as possible, and girl, we're gonna hope for the best. So far, this is what I have. I finished this whole quarter section back here. I started at 11, and it is now 1:30. I did take a few breaks to take the dogs out and stuff like that. I'm moving diligently. I didn't know how big I wanted the braids to be, but so they're a few different sizes, but for the most part they're consistently like small. Now this right here, this little involuntary ombre, I don't know how I feel about it, if I'm being honest. The back I don't really care that much about. I'm just trying to finish it, so some of them look real raggedy. I ain't even gonna show y'all. I just care about the front, so I'm gonna just finish the back up and then we're gonna focus on the front. I only pre-parted my back, and again, I don't care about the parting and everything of the back, so I kind of did just a whatever job. I didn't use a mirror or anything. The front, I obviously will be able to see a little bit better. I literally have not even used a full 2 packs of the hair that I opened. I opened 1 pack of this with the ombre tip, and then I just had 1 pack of the cream and sugar. So that is literally this right here. That's good. I'm definitely gonna have a lot of hair left over. Y'all, I am so hungry. My head's starting to get a little tender. You don't see me. Pretty much my whole back is complete. As y'all can see. Can y'all or can y'all? They're looking real raggedy in the back. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. They're looking real raggedy, not gonna lie. It is officially 4:30. I'm supposed to stop at 4, but I just wanted to finish, like, complete the back fully. So I'm gonna eat my salad. I got some salad. Salad. I really don't want the salad. I'm really wanting Chick-fil-A, but this is a quick way. I also have some chips and guac, my favorite. They're gonna hit every time. And the guac is not, it's not touching my guac, but it's gonna do. It's hair everywhere. My dogs keep running through it because they just have to be underneath me. I don't understand. I'm gonna finish smashing my face, and I'm gonna come back when I have the front section together. All right, so I have my 3rd section done. Oh Lord, what's happening? Oh, I was about to say, what's going on? So I pretty much left out my edges because I wanted to do them last. I wanted to make sure that I like pulled out a little bit of baby hair, but to make sure that I get them correct how I want them. Here, we're gonna tuck them on back. My hair is pretty much, it's moving, but it's this. I probably should have looked up videos on how to tuck better, but it's fine because we still popping. We still about to, you know, we about to look good, so it's whatever. This hair that I got from Amazon versus the Princess Diamond cream and sugar, like this hair right here is so silky soft. Like neither one of them are tangle like issues. Like I know I've seen a lot of videos where girls are having problems with tangling and stuff. Neither one of them are bad. I would say this one actually is worse than this one. This hair right here has given me 0 problems. It's so silky soft and smooth. Like I'm not even exaggerating. So I definitely would suggest that you guys check this company out. I will definitely leave their information in the description box below, but I wanted to say that before I showed y'all how I was doing these raggedy braids. Okay, so I'm gonna do a voiceover for the remainder of this video. Like I said, this is not at any way, shape, or form a tutorial. I'm just showing you guys the process of me kind of putting these braids in. Now I will say, disclaimer, some of them are knotless, some of them are not. Some of them are holding on with a prayer, okay? And that's okay, because we about self-efficiency, okay? And the more times we do this, the better we gonna get. And that's all that matters. So by the time I got to the front of my head, I wasn't a pro, but like we was closer to pro status than we was at the beginning. You see what I'm saying? So anywho, you guys see me kind of doing this last bottom braid. When I start off with the braid, I kind of twist my hair, like I separate my hair into 3 strands, and then I make 1 latch of the braid, and then I pull it really tight so that it's really tight to my head, my actual natural hair, and then I add a small piece. So you guys kind of see me like separating the pieces, especially when it's coming to the front of my head. I want the pieces to be a lot smaller. As far as like the little sections of blonde hair that I grab, I want those pieces to be a lot smaller than the ones that I've been grabbing toward the back of my head, simply because this hair is a lot more fine. It's a lot more, you know, it's not sensitive, but I don't want to say brittle, but y'all understand what I'm saying. Like it's not is strong like bull as the rest of my head. Like, these are our edges, and if your hair is a lot more thin than mine, you definitely gonna need to be careful or almost not even do braids at all. You want to kind of put as much hair as you can into a braid and then leave the rest of your thinning hair kind of out and make some baby hairs, or do something with them, boo, because we don't want them to break off if you barely got a little bit already. So I just wanted to say that. But this is how I am finishing my braids pretty much, and I'm using some Let's Jam, not the Shining Jam, which is actually what I wanted to use. I will say, like, if y'all have the Shining Jam over the Let's Jam, and y'all know what I'm talking about, if y'all have the Shining Jam, use the Shining Jam. I definitely like the Shining Jam over the original, like, Let's Jam. So you see me separating my hair into 3, and then I braided my hair a few times in this clip, and then I added the braiding hair. But honestly, the pieces of braiding hair, like, that I'm grabbing are no bigger than, like, the end of a rat tail comb, like the silver rat tail comb. So yeah, and then as I go further down my braid, I add pieces a little bit bigger, then a little bit bigger, but it's still not like super big. So just wanted to let y'all know that this braid that I'm doing right now, the last braid, baby was a little thick. Okay, she's a little thick, but honestly, if it was black hair or darker hair that I was using, it would be a completely different story. Like, my braids would look absolutely flawless, but because it's a different color hair, that's why we looking how we looking. But honestly, I also wanted these braids to be a lot longer than what they actually were. So I feel like this process did take me all day. I watched videos where the process took them like several days. Thank God that wasn't me. But like, I wanted these braids to be a lot longer. So maybe if they would have been longer, it would have really took me a long time. But after a certain point, I put the braid in my mouth because I don't want the extra tension showing. So y'all can see, you know, we got a little knotless look up there. Like, they're not the best perfect braids, but they giving us something, okay? Like, did I go to an African braiding shop? No, but like, maybe the shop next to it where, you know what I'm saying, they was still selling African food and stuff, like, so they was in and out. But honestly, when I finished my hair, I was pretty proud of myself. I'm not gonna lie. Like, the braids was braiding and nobody could tell me otherwise. Like, nobody. So I had some uneven pieces that I wanted to, like, you know, there were some longer pieces that were longer than the bunch. So what I'm doing right now is kind of trimming the ends of my hair before I dip it, because I want everything to be, you know, matched and uniform. Because even though we ain't go to an African shop or a braiding shop, we want it to look like we did at least. So we want the same professionalism as the shop, period. So you guys can kind of see that I cut those pieces and it looks a lot better. Now I am gonna go ahead and twist my hair. I kind of wanted a little bit of a crinkle slash curl at the end of these braids. So in order to do that, normally I'll braid or twist a big section. So I'm just twisting a section because I didn't want like too much of a crinkle. I just wanted a little bit of something. So I went ahead and twisted one section and then put a rubber band at the end. And then this is me. I have the pot here on the counter in my bathroom, and I just went ahead and dipped my hair. Now this part, y'all want to be careful, okay? And make sure y'all have your towel ready. All right, this part is very, like, it could burn a little bit. So y'all want to be careful. Make sure you have your towel ready as soon as you dip your water or your head in for, like, I would say no more than 15 seconds. Hold it in there, and then as soon as you're lifting your head out, like, grab that towel, because I know y'all see me struggling. Even the towel is like super duper hot. So please, please, please be careful with this part. If you need someone to help you, make sure you grab someone that can give you a hand, because we don't want no burnt hands, fingers, or scalps in the making of these braids. Y'all hear me? Can I get an amen in the comment section? So I'm literally just doing the same thing to the other side. And like I said, if you guys want to actually, I've watched a few videos where the girls put like a flexi rod at the end because they wanted a curly type of an end. Do what you want. If you want straight, then just leave it straight. But it's all about what you want. So kind of make it into yours. That's the beauty of doing it at home. So next, I'm just kind of setting my braids, and I'm just putting some mousse / setting foam all over the top of my head. I'm using an excessive amount, as y'all can see. Don't be shy on that thing. We want these to be super, super, super sleek, y'all. Sleek as possible. And after I use that setting foam, I'm gonna go ahead and put my scarf on. Now I seen the trick where a girl put the scarf in between her braids so that she doesn't get a crease. So honestly, whenever I put my head rag on at night, this is how I wrap it up. But I'm literally about to go to bed right now, so I'm just kind of preparing it. And then once I get my head scarf on and nice and neat and tight, and y'all can see the end of my hair, I'm gonna use my blow dryer I probably use it for maybe a solid like minute and a half, and just use it on a medium heat to kind of set down that the mousse. And as y'all can see, girl, it is 2 a.m. 2 o'clock in the morning. Your girl was tired and just excited that my hair was done, but the finished result came out as such, y'all. Like, we at the beach with it, okay? We in Punta Cana, we in Dominican, and like, when I tell y'all I was acting a fool on this beach with my bathing suit, like, I was acting an actual fool. Like, couldn't nobody tell me nothing. Like, look at my hair, look at my shades, look at my bathing suit. Like, we're all coming together, like, in the streets of the Dominican Republic, República Dominicana, okay? Like, all the Spanish poppies was coming at me. They was looking at me, swinging my braids. Like, it was a vibe. Anywho, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below any comments, questions, or concerns. I'm gonna do my Baywatch on this beach, y'all, and I hope that you guys are having an amazing summer. Please be on the lookout for my vacation hauls. Like, I have so many clothes that I have for you guys, so be on the lookout for that. But I love you, babes. Until next time, now give me a kiss. Mwah.